Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Renu. I'm ready with yet another video on TR to PR pathway, and today I will be talking a little more in detail about all kind of streams, irrespective to international graduate, healthcare stream, with dependents, mat leave, like if somebody was on maternity leave, or healthcare worker, and there were a lot of issues with stream B with spouse, and so many queries out there, and I would try to cover cases where all your queries would be resolved, and I will try to reply to your queries also, whatever is pending. I was a little busy last week, so apologies for that. Now, this is how exactly it looks like when you're actually getting an update from IRCC into your portal. So when you log into that, this is exactly the format. And in this case, if you see, the review of app eligibility was done on October 12th. And till the time when we reach to the final decision, if you see here, your application was approved, check your messages below for details. So this is exactly how it would look for an applicant who has received the ECOPR. And in this case, this person has received it last week on October 12th. So, biometrics, they again, IRCC doesn't need that. And background check has been done and review of medicals were done on August 19th. So eligibility has been reviewed and the final decision was made on October 12th. Moving on to our first international graduate. This is interesting. Now, a lot of you have done mistakes, so don't need to worry about because I'll be covering how it actually works. This applicant has applied on May 6th at 12:55 p.m. Eastern Time, and if you see the guideline here, he has received the AOR, his link up his application on September 17th. Now, in this case, he called up IRCC agent to take his assistance. And that's how, if you're lucky enough and you get good hold of IRCC agent, definitely they can navigate you and walk you through the process also. He's done the biometric, like he's got the biometric request on September 15, 2 days before linking up the application. Now again, linking up of application is preferable in case if you're not able to do it. It has to be done by the centralized management system on GCMS. So when you apply for it, especially for those candidates who have applied around May 6th and May 7th, in fact May 8th also, but majority of the applicants whoever has received in the first and second hour on May 6th, they are receiving the ECOPR and the response is amazing. I will be covering like around 12 timelines today, and you'll see IRCC is picking up pretty fast. Even on Saturdays, few of the candidate has received the ECOPR. So this is tremendous. Now, he's received the ADR for official degree on October 5th. He was requested to submit the RCMP results that he did on the very same day on October 8th, and then he had the PR confirmation portal on October 12th, and 2 days ago he's received the ECOPR. So I have a lot of timelines around this week only. Now the mistakes, what exactly he has done, he forgot to mention about his USA visa refusal in form 5669, and that's how he has uploaded that information through IRCC web form. You can do that too. He has mentioned the wrong date of birth, submitted and filled the wrong passport expiry date and the issue. And he also did not mention the travel history for flagpole, when you have to do it for renewal of work. So to USA, he couldn't do that. And he did not uploaded his pay stubs. Irrespective to that, he did mention his offer letter, like he uploaded his offer letter only without uploading pay stubs. And whatever the information he was not able to through it after receiving the AOR, he has raised the web form and explained that in details about what exactly the mistakes were done. And that's how he's been able to get the ECOPR. Moving on to another timeline, this is for healthcare stream A with dependents. Now this applicant has applied on May 6th at 10:11 a.m. Pacific time. This is again NOC 441 home child care provider. That's basically like a babysitter or something like that. So his medical result was submitted for the dependents on July 2nd, and then biometric was requested on August 10th. Now in this case, he has received the AOR on August 12th, and then they have to submit the PCC and NBI. NBI basically is a National Bureau of Investigation. I did write it at the bottom. If you see, it basically is issued as a clearance certificate. Now, very few countries who have to do that, and this is under Philippines. So where you have to get the certification where no criminal convictions has been done. So every country has their own parameters. So Then he has passed the medicals on August 19th and received the email for PR confirmation portal on September 17th. Now, there was a timeline for essential healthcare worker. Now, this candidate has applied on May 6th at 12:35 p.m. Eastern Time. He's received the AOR on August 26th, where he has received the email to link up an application. A lot of you are actually getting through that issue, and that's why I'm covering this case. If you are getting an email from IRCC to link up your application, try to create it through a different GC key if you can do that. Now, in this case, also, this person has linked up his application on August 27th. Then again, he got an email to link up application. He did that again. He created a new account and link up the application again, on October 5th. And that's how he started getting the updates. Before that, he was not able to do that. And then there was a ghost update on October 8th also. And then there was a PR confirmation email on October 9th, like PR portal email. And that's how he got the credential request also, where he has uploaded the photograph and address on October 12th. And the very next day, on October 13th, if you see, that was after Thanksgiving holiday. So he's received the ECO PR. So, yeah. And now he's received, this is another timeline for a candidate with maternity leave, where the principal applicant was on maternity leave and inland spouse. So he's applied on May 6th at 12:57 p.m. Eastern Time. Biometric instruction letter was received on September 17th, so they have done it. And now the application was linked to sign-in partner that shows medical were also passed. Thereafter, they received the AOR on September 20. If you see there, then again they have to link up the application through GC key. So this is exactly repeatedly happening in many of the applications. And then you got the PR confirmation on October 8th, and 4 days later they got the PR portal October 12th, and 2 days ago again ECO PR was received on October 8th. 14th. Now, in this case, there were no additional documents and there was not even a single ghost update, if you see here. So this actually happened. Now, ghost update is a good sign in case if you have any question regarding that. It's a good sign that your application is through and your documents have been evaluated, or is it going to be evaluated by the visa officer. So it's in the process and you're likely to get AOR or any kind of confirmation from IRCC pretty soon. Moving on to the another timeline, this is under stream B with spouse. So this applicant has applied on May 6th at again 11:03 a.m. Mountain Time. Is link up the application and received the medical. Medical were again passed on August 27. And if you see that, almost a month later, he has received the AOR, that's September 22nd, and there was an ADR for IMM 5669. So usually when you receive an IMM 5669, so that's a form when IRCC would ask you to fill up the gap, whatever it is in your application. If there was a wrong date or there was no proper information related to your history, your personal history, or work history, they would give you a second chance to submit the document. So you don't need to worry about that. And this can be submitted only after AOR or ADR has been received by IRCC. You cannot submit any unsolicited document before receiving the AOR. And then there was a ghost update 5-6 times actually in between September 29th to October 5th. And October 6th is actually biometric collection letter was done. And then they submitted the biometric like last week, October 8th. And within 3 days time, like if you see on October 12th, like 4th date after submitting the biometric, portal email was received, and within 4 days again ECOPR was received on October 16th. So this is another interesting case where stream B with spouse has happened. Moving on to another timeline, it's applied on May 6th at 12:40 p.m. Eastern Time. Biometric instruction letter and medical were passed on August 24th. Now, in this case, AOR was received on August 26th and biometric was submitted on September 1st. Now, again, in this case, first linked was done on September 6th. All the documents were submitted upfront, so there was no requirement of document till this point. And again, there was a relinked new GC key. So if you see, they've done it on October, like this person has done it on October 3rd, and there was a ghost update on October 4th, the very next day. Again, they have to relink his application third time on October 13th, like 10 days later, and that's how he got the PR, like a portal request email on October 13th. The very next day, portal details, like it uploaded the photographs and documents and like an address proof. And now they're just waiting. He's just waiting for the ECO PR. So I would recommend, in case if you're getting any email from IRCC or any pop-up that you have to link up your application, sometime there could be a technical glitch, but there is no harm in doing it again. Just link up your application one more time. And in case if you're not able to do it through that available GC key, you can always create through a new account. Another timeline for international graduates is May 6th at 12:35 p.m. Eastern Time, where AOR was received on August 26th. ADR for PCC and biometrics, and then biometrics were submitted on August 27. There was an ADR, another ADR for pay stubs that was received on September 24th, and the very next day it was submitted. And that's how on October 7th he's received the PR portal request, and now ECO PR was also received within a week's time period. That was on October 13th, after Thanksgiving again, and now he's just waiting for the PR card. Moving on to another timeline is for international graduate again. He's applied on May 6th at 12:57 p.m. Eastern Time. AOR was received on September 8th, and that's the day he was able to link up his application also. And the medicals were passed on September 7th, and again, the very same day, PCC was requested. That was on September 7th. So if you see that the AOR was received on September 8th, and the PCC was requested the day before that. So he submitted the very next day, and PR portal request and credentials were done on October 8th, and this week only is received the ECO PR, that's on October 12th. Now this is a timeline for Gurjeet. Thanks for sharing your case. Now in case all you would like to share your case, you can definitely go in under my channel and share it on the community. Is applied on May 6th at 12:24 p.m. Eastern Time, and then AOR was received on August 24th. Medical were also passed a day before that, and then he's received the ADR for PCC, and there was a test report form for IELTS. So if you have submitted a screenshot of your existing IELTS, then definitely you need to submit the copy of the original one. So it's August 25th. And there was an ADR for IMM 5669 form that was on September 14th, and he submitted the very next day. And then there was a ghost update. It was on September 21st and September 27th. And then there was a portal email that was again on September 27th at 8 a.m. And credential email was on again at 10 a.m. So if you see from the stage when you receive the ghost update, you tend to receive quick response. Now he's received the COPR, that's on September 28th, and now he's received the PR card, that's October 12th. So it does take time over here also. Now this is what little tricky here, that you cannot guarantee, but the case is based upon recent trends, what we are experiencing. When you start getting the PR confirmation portal or even any update from IRCC in terms of ghost update, the things are getting through just in 2 to 3 days time period. But this is not a benchmark or a mandatory thing that's happening with each and every applicant. Few of the applicant might have to wait for 7 days or maybe 15 days. It varies from case to case. At the same time, you have a different visa officer to evaluate and assess your applications. Just keep that in mind. I hope that helps. Moving on to another international graduate timeline. This is another interesting one. Now this person has applied on May 6th at 12:28 p.m. Eastern Time. He received his AOR on August 20th, and the very same day biometric request was made. He's received the PCC request again on August 24th, and he submitted the same PCC on October 4th. It does take time for some of you to get the PCC. It took him almost 1.5 months. So PR confirmation was done on October 10th, and 2 days after that he's received the portal upload picture, then that's been done on October 12th, and then he's got the ECO PR on October 14th. Now in this case, what he did not mention, he did not upload his pay stubs, and there was no TR for form, and there was no request made by the visa officer. In fact, his job was 8 hours per week at the time of applying, and he has submitted the old medicals from 2017. So T4 form, basically it's like a T4 form. So it was not required by a visa officer. So sometimes if your case is pretty strong, you don't need to worry about that. It depends upon how cool the visa officer would be. So yeah, fingers crossed. Let's hope for the best. Moving on to our another timeline is for international graduate. He has applied on May 6th at 9:38 a.m. Pacific time. Now he's linked up his application on August 19th, and he's received the AOR that was on August 20th. All the documents were submitted upfront, and biometric request was done on August 19th, and then it was submitted September 17th. There was an ADR for 5669 form on October 5th, where he actually has some gap there. And there was a PR confirmation portal request was made on August 6th. And that's how he got the ECO PR on October 13th. So if you see the timeline over here also, it took him almost a week's time period from PR confirmation portal till ECO PR. And there could be a possibility when visa officer might ask you to submit the document 2 or maybe 3 times. So you just have to make sure that you fulfill all the requirements in time. I hope this video have been little help to you. And in case if you did get something out of it, you definitely can subscribe to my channel for more updates. Till then, take care, and I would try to resolve all your queries. Whatever the questions you have, you can always write back to me. Have a good day, guys.